Welcome to day 15 of the Etsy Hacks 30-Day Challenge. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you could view particularly listing stats versus looking at your entire store. So let's say I wanted to look at this new listing that I added for the month of August, and I wanted to see how it's performing. What I could do is click on the listing that I want to look at. And if you go up here, it says stats. If you click there, it's going to give you information only on this particular listing. So you're going to be able to see based on the date that you picked. So I'm going to go ahead and, it's already selected for me. So this is for the month of August because this is when the listing was added. It's going to show me how many visits it drove, how many items I sold, the revenue. Is going to give me additional information of when I made those particular sales. It's going to give me information about my terms, how people found me, like the search terms. And it's also going to give me more information on the breakdown of, did it come from SEO? Did it come from advertising? Did it come from social media? So this is a really good way to review a listing that you have that you're on the fence of either removing or keeping. And this is a good way to kind of revise that particular listing. So I wanted to show you that you need to start revising your listings as a store overall, but you also need to look at it individually. This will give you more information on that particular listing. There are a lot of listings that I have in my other stores that drive me tons of traffic, but not necessarily make me a lot of money. But the only reason why I have kept those listings is because they continue to drive me so much traffic, more than this obviously, but a lot of traffic. So that's why even though you might have a listing that might not be selling as much, or you're like, okay, this listing hasn't sold in the last, let's say, 3 months, make sure that you look at it overall. Is it driving your traffic? Because if it is, maybe that particular customer came to your store, right? They didn't buy that particular listing, but ended up buying a different listing in your store, like a different product. So this is why it's so important to check the listing individually before you even delete that listing or say, I'm going to deactivate this listing because it's not working for me. Look at the data first and then make an informed decision. Let me know in the comments below if you knew that you could actually check the stats on one particular listing versus looking at all of them. And don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and share. I will see you on the next Etsy Hack video.